Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion Max by Rachel Gal Queen. So today I'm going to show you how to do cornrow for beginners. Let's get to it. This is the comb that I'm going to be using, an Afro comb, to make sure the mannequin's hair is not tangled in needs. This is the comb that I'm going to use to part the mannequin's hair. As you can see, I've already parted the mannequin's hair because I've done a few cornrow already. Now we're going to begin the cornrow tutorial. You will have to take 3 pieces.
Can you show us the 3 pieces? 1,
2, 3.
Okay.
Right now I'm going to start grabbing hair from the section that I'm going to do the cornrow from. You grab more hair, put it into the 3 pieces. Grab hair, take it into the 3 pieces. Grab more hair. Basically, this is, you grab hair, you put it in the 3 pieces.
So we adding some more hair to the 3 pieces?
Correct.
All right.
Basically, this is a repetitive We begin with 3, we end with 3. You have to continue doing your natural braid.
All the way to the end, right?
Yeah, correct. This is the end of the cornrow tutorial. I hope this hairstyle was extremely helpful for your hairstyle journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Queen Sarah's out. Peace.